Karyans, let me tell you something that may surprise you. High performers don't struggle with laziness, they struggle with something else. And if you think your problem is laziness, you might be misdiagnosing yourself. Many sincere people say, Vanita, I feel lazy. I know what to do, but I don't feel like doing it. I start strong, then I stop. And slowly a label forms inside. Maybe I'm just not disciplined enough. But here is the truth: laziness is rarely the real issue. Most of the time, that we call laziness is mental overload, emotional fatigue, unclear direction, fear of imperfection, or simply low energy. But it's easier to call ourselves lazy than to investigate deeper. Namaste Karyans, I'm Vanita Ganeshmurthy DGvG, your Vedic Productivity Coach and the founder of Karyasiddi Productivity Hub. You're listening to Vedic Productivity Talks, where we raise and grow 1% every day the Vedic way. High performers don't wake up thinking, I don't want to do anything. They wake up thinking, I have too much to handle. What looks like laziness is often decision fatigue, or lack of clarity, or inner resistance caused by mental noise. When the mind is overloaded, actions feels heavy, so we delay. Not because we don't care, but because we care too much and feel overwhelmed. In the Vedic wisdoms, action was never forced. It flowed with clarity. When there is Sankalpa, clear intention, energy aligns. When there is a confusion, even simple actions feels difficult. High performers focus on reducing friction, not blaming themselves. They simplify, they prioritize, they protect their energy. They don't waste time fighting the label lazy. Why we mislabeled ourselves? Calling yourself lazy feels like an explanation, but it stops you from asking better questions. Questions like, am I mentally exhausted? Am I emotionally drained? Am I unclear about the next step? Am I afraid of failing? Laziness is rarely the root. It is often a signal that something inside needs adjustment. So today, Karyans, try this. Point number one, replace the word lazy with unclear. Ask, what exactly am I avoiding? Point number two, break the task smaller. Heavy tasks create resistance. Point number three, check your energy before judging yourself. Are you tired or truly unwilling? This shift alone can change your self talk. Imagine a car does not move. You don't say this car is lazy. You check, is there fuel? Is there a blockage? Is something overheating? You investigate. Treat yourself with the same intelligence. I have seen high performers hit forces, not because they were lazy, but because they were overloaded. The moment clarity returned, momentum returned back. Laziness disappears when alignment returns. Pause and ask yourself honestly, am I really lazy? Or am I overwhelmed, tired, or unclear? What is the problem is not discipline but direction. Just notice, no judgment. High performers don't struggle with laziness, they manage clarity, they manage energy, they manage focus. This is Vedic productivity, and you are a Karyan. Not lazy, not weak, not behind. Just in need of alignment, where we raise and grow 1% every day the Vedic way. Today, stop calling yourself lazy. Instead, ask one better question. Clarity will move forward. Until then, Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and be productive. Have a great day. Bye. Jai Hind.